Hello student, find the 20th term of the GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. Here you have to find 20th term. So first of all, we see the first term of this GP is 5 by 2. So we can calculate common ratio, that is R. R is equal to 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. After simplification, we will get 1 by 2. This is our common ratio. Now you have to find the 20th term. So a 20 is equal to a r raised to the power n minus 1. This is the formula. So in place of a, you should write 5 by 2 into, in place of r is a 1 by 2, n means 20. 20 minus 1. After simplification, we will have 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to the power 19. So we can write like this: 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to the power 19. See this product, you will have 1 by 2 raised to the power 20. This is the 20th term of this geometric progression. Now see the next question. Next question, that is question number 5th. What is the 5th? Right, we have to find which term of the GP 2, 2 root 2, 4 is 128. Okay, this is a sequence 2, 2 root 2, 4, and you have to find which term is 128. So 128 is the last term of this sequence. By using the formula last term, L is equal to A R raised to the power n minus 1. Last term is 128. First term is 2. R is, when we will divide 2 root 2 by 2, we will get only root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. 128 may be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like this, and here 2 root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Check it. 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, to the 32, 32 to the 64, and 2. That is 128. After simplification, you will have only 2, 2, again 2, 2, 2 is equal to root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. These two may be written as like this: first 2 root 2 into root 2, that is 2. Similarly, next 2 root 2 into root 2, again root 2 into root 2, and so on. Root 2 into root 2, again root 2 into root 2. This is the arrangement: first 2, second, third, fourth, fifth, finally sixth. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. How many root 2 is here? 12. So we can write here root 2 raised to the power 12 is equal to root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Base is same, so after comparing we will get 12 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 12 plus 1, that is 13. It means 13th term will be 128 of given GP. Okay.